feel the rush, the sky so clear. Hit the trail where the wild winds play, kayak rides at break of day. Campfire stories, laughing loud underneath the open clouds. Rivers run wild, hearts beat free, outlaw country calling me. Sunshine, smiles, and endless skies, living loud, no compromise. Stars above and boots in the sand, freedom song across the land. Every bend a brand new view, out here's where I'm born anew. Rivers run wild, hearts beat free, outlaw country calling me. Sunshine, smiles, and endless skies, living loud, no compromise. Ride the waves and chase the breeze, nature's rhythm sets me free. Happy hearts in harmony, outlaw dreams in melody. So let's go, don't hesitate, adventures knocking at your gate. Rivers run wild, and so do we. Outlaw country, wild and free. Sunrise paints the morning sky, whispering winds begin to fly. Paddling soft through waters clear, campfire laughter drawing near. Underneath the towering trees, nature's song upon the breeze. Flowing free, the river calls, kayaking past the country walls. Cozy nights and stars above, wrapped in warmth and endless love. Crackling flames and stories told, memories made in hearts of gold. Gentle ripples, peaceful streams, living out our sweetest dreams. Flowing free, the river calls, kayaking past the country walls. Cozy nights and stars above, wrapped in warmth and endless love. Skies open wide, the world feels right. Dancing shadows in the fading light, hearts aligned with nature's beat. In this moment, life's complete. So here we stay, where rivers gleam, forever caught inside this dream.